with this 2015 Ford Escape, and it has heated seats, panoramic sunroof, remote start, and so much more. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color, tons of chrome up front with your Ford badge right there in the middle, and you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below. These are 18-inch painted aluminum wheels over on the sides. Lots of tread left on those tires, and then this has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which can get you about 28 miles to the gallon on the highway. So it's also really good under our smart warranty, and if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. So if you want to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's, and one of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Looking down at your side mirrors, these do have those indicator lights going down the sides, and they are powered and heated with those corner mirrors so you can see easier into your blind spot. You do have keyless entry with a touchscreen number keypad over on your driver's side. Okay, so looking at these front seats, they are tan leather heated seats, so super comfortable, especially in those colder months, and then both sides are power adjustable, and your driver's side does have some memory settings. Looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, your media controls, and your cruise control settings all there on the front. And then, looking over at your media center, you have all of your options super easily accessible. This is an 8-inch My Ford Touch. So here you have your radio options. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. All of your climate controls are dual right there. And you can connect your phone using Bluetooth and make or receive phone calls. Plus other things are subscribable through Sync. And you have that backup camera so you can see easily behind your vehicle. And you have your backup camera so you can see easily behind your vehicle right there. You also have everything down below in a button form, all of your radio options, your climate controls down here, and then you can see your 12-volt and your heated seat buttons right there in the middle next to your 2 cup holders. And then inside of your center console you have a shelf there and a media hub with AV inputs, an SD card reader, 2 USB ports, and a 12-volt. So all of your devices can be charged in your center console. Looking up, this does have universal garage door openers and controls to your panoramic sunroof. So this thing just stretches all the way across and lets in a lot of light and air inside this vehicle. So here we are in the back seat. You do have room for 3 passengers back here, and you can pull down that cup holder armrest. You also have a 110-volt down there for your larger items that you can charge up. These seats can also fold forward. So if you want to have some additional space in your trunk, then you can have this folded down, and it gives you tons and tons of room. Looking up, you've got that roof rack up top. You have your LED tail lamps and your titanium and EcoBoost badging, plus a rear sensing system so it will alert you if there is an object behind your vehicle. So between that and the backup camera, you'll always know if it's safe to back up. And you have a power liftgate and remote start right there on your key fob, so you can start your car from anywhere. And then you have tons of room in this trunk with your spare tire located right there underneath. So tons of room in this Ford Escape, and tons of options in that media center as well. So if you want to see this SUV or any of our other SUVs, visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.